Hey everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I'm coming to you from the House of Tools workshop, and we have a Hazet tool handle for you today. This happens to be the 810BHK bit holder. It holds a 1/4 inch bit, as you can see there. This particular handle is very small. This is more of a mini screwdriver, so this would be for more smaller situations, but it's got the nice collar there that's going to lock our bits in. And I have two different style bits here. It doesn't matter what the tip is, but it's a 1/4 inch, has no ball bearing, has no collar at all. We stick it there, we pull the collar back, and positive engagement. It's not going anywhere, and that's perfect. And this one is not ratcheting, so it works any way you want to use it. Either way, I should say, you don't have to adjust that. Pull the collar back, easily comes out. Here I have a 1/4 inch bit. This one happens to have a collar on it, doesn't matter. Put that in, pull it back, positive engagement. So there you go. If you need to get into tight spaces, you want one little handle that can handle any of the 1/4 inch bits that you have in your toolbox, this is a nice one. What's nice about this, it could easily fit in a shirt pocket, it could go in the back of a drawer, etc. And you could have literally hundreds of screwdriver tips with one handle. And it's small enough to get into some really tight spaces, so I would have this one in the toolbox in addition to a regular handle. So, if you would, please like and subscribe so we could keep doing these videos for you. And leave a comment. Do you like this size or not? Do you like using these multi-handles with different bits? Do you like it being ratcheting or not ratcheting? What's your favorite and why? Leave us a comment. And as always, we appreciate you watching the videos and stay tuned for more. We'll keep them coming.